Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Navi Randhawa, and yeah, that's me. A little disclaimer before I start the video is that I'm not trying to flex over here that oh my god, look at me, I'm buying this car and that car, nothing of that sorts. It's just a very special memory to me, and I kind of wanted to share it with you guys. And trust me, I did think million of times before actually posting this video whether I should do it or not, but I do me and you do you, boo. And which car did we buy and all, everything will be coming up shortly. Till then, enjoy the very shaky montage filmed by none other than Mommy Randhawa. Okay, so let's start. So this is Bird BMW. It's basically in Gurgaon. Yeah, actually I got a little shy because people were looking at me. So look at me like, pretending that nah, I'm cool as if. Okay guys, so we just bought a new BMW. I'm going to show you in a second how it looks like. It's beautiful, trust me. And my family is really happy.
My dad is so excited for his new car.
And let's meet the most excited person, and that's my dad. Oh, look at him, he's so cute. Look at my mom, she's scolding him that stop, you should not post it on social media or anything, so you know where I come from.
Be happy.
The moment I say the camera is turned on, she just gives me a smile. And here comes my brother, to hog the limelight. Anyway, I'm just kidding. Like any other Indian family, we were checking that all the things were in place or not. And then just look at the way they change their expressions, when they're on camera. They just, yeah, I know, such pretentious people they are. Okay, I'm just kidding. So this was the office. I haven't really vlogged a lot, and I don't know why million of times I've said that, wait a second, I'll show you. For some reason, I was just building it up too much. I'll show you the car in just a second. It's red color. It looks so good. I'm so excited, guys. So we bought a BMW X4. So finally you know which car we bought, and here is the beast. And this is us unveiling. This is what they do. It's not staged or anything. This is what they ask us to do. To click the pictures and everything. And this is it. This is our car, our beautiful car. And they just gave my mom a bouquet of flowers, a box of chocolates that I had myself. Anyway, just look at it. I'm going to show you the front. It's actually gorgeous. So like as mandatory, they just show you that where's the jack and everything. So that's what he was doing, and he was explaining that. She was just telling us that this BMW logo, so there comes alloys where this logo doesn't change the position, it remains as it is. So she was just suggesting us. And this is basically the BMW LED door light projectors. It gets installed at the bottom of the door. So it basically illuminates the logo M or the BMW logo roundel on the road pavement beneath whenever the door is opened. And it just comes for the two doors, which are like in the front. I love these ambient lighting, the way it illuminates around the car center console, the door handles, and across the dash is just, I think it looks really sexy. And it can, of course, as we all know, it can be changed to different kind of colors. So over here you can see I've changed it to blue, and there are other colors as well. And the interiors are black, which is kind of a relief because I've always seen mostly like beige, and they even had the option of brown, but I think, I don't know, for some reason red exterior with the black interior just, you know, gives it a sporty feel. Okay guys, so I'm gonna zoom off in my car, and that's it. It was just a very short vlog of me sharing this with you. So if you liked it, then please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Until later, navigators, XOXO. Mwah. Okay, you know, the reality is that nobody would let me drive a new car. So I went right back to the front seat and my brother was driving. Anyway guys, in case you want to know some details about it, about the car and everything, I will link down the website for BMW and all the information for you, for if you want to know any specifications, anything whatsoever. And thank you. Mwah.